Every second wasted is money left on the table. Why? Because you have the power to earn $5 every 30 seconds if you choose to. It's a simple truth. Time is money, and with the right strategy, you can turn every idle moment into cold, hard cash. So, why wait? Let's stop wasting time and start earning. $5 every 30 seconds is within your reach. Get ready to hit 4 birds with 1 stone, because in this video, I'm about to show you a game-changing strategy that involves leveraging 4 powerful apps. Imagine the potential. Earning $5 every 30 seconds without spending a dime. Yes, you heard that right. With the power of these 4 apps combined, you'll be on the fast track to unlocking a steady stream of income. So sit back, relax, and get ready to discover how to maximize your earnings like never before. This is your ultimate guide to turning every second into profit, and I'm here to show you exactly how. So here's the deal. We'll be leveraging 4 key apps to make this happen. First up is ShrinkMe, a tool that pays you whenever someone clicks on your link. Essentially, it works by shortening URLs and tracking the clicks they receive. Each time someone clicks on your shortened link, you earn a small commission. This can add up quickly, especially if you're sharing links on social media like Facebook, Quora, Reddit, X, or other platforms with high traffic. Next on the list is Audible, which offers a generous $5 commission from every new user. Audible is an audiobook service owned by Amazon, and they're willing to pay you for referring new members to their platform. All you need to do is share your unique referral link, and whenever someone signs up for a free trial using that link, you'll earn $5. It's a simple way to earn some extra cash, especially if you're already a fan of audiobooks yourself. Moving on, next we have up4ever.net, a platform that allows you to earn money by sharing files. Whether it's ebooks, software, music, or any other type of digital content, up4ever will pay you every time someone downloads your files. The best part is, you still get paid even if the downloads are free for the users. This makes it a great way to monetize your digital creations and earn passive income over time. Last but not least, there's ySense, a survey platform that pays you for your time. Unlike traditional survey sites where you must accumulate points, ySense pays you instantly for every survey you complete. Also, you can cash out your earnings with as low threshold as $5, which is making it a quick and easy way to earn some extra spending money. Now, let's dive into the process of creating your own money-making guide. You'll start by heading over to ChatGPT and inputting how to make money online, or how to save money, or how to invest money, or anything you like to. Just give the prompt and ChatGPT will bring you the guide. ChatGPT is an AI tool that can generate detailed guides on a wide range of topics, so you can trust it to provide valuable insights and advice. Once you have your guide content generated, it's time to move on to Canva, a graphic design tool that makes it easy to create visually appealing PDF guides. Canva offers a wide range of templates to choose from, so you can pick one that matches your style and branding. From there, you can customize the template by adding your own images, changing the fonts and colors, and tweaking the layout to your liking. After customizing first page of your guide in Canva, you can go back to ChatGPT. Then all you need to do is pretty much copy and paste all the part of your guide from ChatGPT to your guide. Once you have all the content you need, you can finalize your guide in Canva, save it as a PDF file, and prepare to share it with the world. But before you download it and start promoting your guide, there's one more step you'll want to take: taking advantage of Amazon Audible's $5 referral bonus. By sharing your guide and encouraging people to sign up for Audible using your referral link, you can earn $5 for every new member who joins. To get started, click on Become an Affiliate on Amazon. This is where the excitement kicks in. Imagine diving into the world of making money online with a book like The 12 Best Ways to Make Money Online. ChatGPT can help you pinpoint the top recommendations in this niche. You can also ask from ChatGPT to give you like 10 most trending audiobooks in Amazon related to the niche you choose. Once you've identified the gems, head over to Amazon.com to find these books. Here's where the magic happens. You can share these books for free with your audience, and for every sign-up, you pocket $5. If you're finding these money-making tips helpful, remember to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with our latest content. Now, back to your PDF guide in Canva. It's time to sprinkle some charm with a compelling call to action. Picture this. Get the 12 Best Ways to Make Money Online book for free on Audible, boldly displayed alongside a clickable button. In just a few clicks, you've crafted an irresistible offer for your readers. They get valuable insights for free, and you earn some extra cash. It's a win-win. Once your guide is polished and ready, click on Share and download it as a PDF file. But hold your horses, we're not done yet. Remember upforever.net? This is where you can double your earnings. Simply upload your guide to UP4Ever, and every time someone downloads it, you earn $7 per 1,000 downloads. It's like getting paid twice for the same effort. Now let's head over to another avenue, ShrinkMe. Imagine a tool that not only shortens your links, but also pays you when someone clicks on them. You might wonder, why would anyone pay for a click? Well, it's because before reaching the destination, the clicker is shown ads they can skip. And when they do, that's when the magic happens, you earn. Simply paste your link, click on shorten. Now every click not only earns you money, but also sets the stage for potential downloads and referrals. Another sites where you can shorten your links and earn money are Shrink Earn and Shirtfly. Wondering about cashing out? It's as easy as a click. Just head to the withdraw section, enter your payment details, and watch your earnings roll in. Now, let's move to next thing, understanding your target audience. Who are you aiming to assist? For instance, let's say it's individuals seeking ways to make money online. What are their pain points? Perhaps they seek passive income streams or freelance opportunities. Now, where do they hang out online? Tailor your approach accordingly. For instance, threads.net mimics X's vibe, but on an Instagram-like platform. Share valuable content and drop your guide link where it matters. Similarly, Pinterest.com is a goldmine. Optimize your profile, drop your link in the bio, and create engaging pins. But remember, it's not just about promotions. Provide value first, reel them in, and then offer your guide as the cherry on top. Now let's dive back into Canva for a pinch of creativity. Easily create your promo pin showcasing your guide on how to make money online. Choose some relevant pin template. Customize it to pop and resonate with your audience. Then go to Pinterest, add new pin, and upload your guide. Then just add title like How to Make Money Online 2024, free guide. Drop your guide link, hit publish, and watch as your pin works its magic. With every download, you're not just sharing knowledge, you're earning cold, hard cash. It's a win-win. So, there you have it. Another avenue explored, another opportunity seized. It's time to blend creativity with strategy and watch your earnings soar. Now you can watch these videos in your screen to find out more ways to make money online. Until next time, dream big, hustle harder.